Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Hemant Yadav, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with a patient of acute appendicitis, and as well as I will also show the technique of palpation of the abdomen and what are the signs that we can look for in a patient of acute appendicitis. So to begin with, we should introduce ourselves with the patient and also to collect their personal details as well as their primary complaints. So let's start. Please do tell me your personal details like name and age.
I'm Jaswant Yadav, age 49 years.
Okay, and what are the complaints that you are having?
I have mild pain in the right abdomen, especially when I walk, it increases
Yes.
over here.
So pain is just localized here, or in other places also you are having
No other
pain?
places, only here.
Okay. And did you had any illness or infections in past 1 year?
No illness, no complaints.
So usually what happens when there is pain, particularly in this part, we can suspect that the patient is having appendicitis. So for that, I need to do an palpation of the abdomen, and that I will show you now. Please let me. So as you can see, the patient said that pain is localized in this region. So there is a point that is called as McBurney's point. That is characteristic of the location of the appendix. So how to determine that point is we need to check the umbilicus of the patient and the anterior superior iliac spine. So on this line, around 2/3 of the distance from the umbilicus, that is here, and 1/3 of the distance from the anterior superior iliac spine. So this point denotes the location of the appendix. So usually what happens is when we put pressure here or when we palpate in this region, patient will have pain. So during palpation, we can ask for the patient to that he's having pain or no. If he's having pain, this is called as the McBurney's sign is positive. So this is the main sign that we can look for in while palpation. And other signs also that we can look for is one of the sign is Rovsing signs. What is Rovsing signs? When I will palpate in the this is the right iliac fossa and this is left iliac fossa. When I palpate in the left iliac fossa, patient will complain of having pain in the right iliac fossa. Why this happens is this is kind of referred pain, and why this happens is when I palpate or when I press pressure in this region, usually what happens, the bowel that is present inside as well as the air moves in the right side and it irritates the appendix that is present over here. And while irritation, the patient complains of pain. So this was the second sign, Rovsing signs. The other sign that we can look for while palpation is one is to check the pain during the movement of the leg. What happens is when the patient, while laying down, when the patient hyperextends his leg. So this is kind of hyperextensive state, and when he will lift as it is the leg and hold it here, he will have pain in this part. So this is called as your psoas sign. So if the patient will have pain while the hyperextension of the leg, this sign will be called as psoas sign is positive. So the last sign is, for that I will ask the patient to sit down again, and while sitting down he have to hold his leg, not to rest. And so this is the flexion position of the leg, and when he will do internal rotation of this leg, he will have pain here. So this is called as obturator sign. And if the patient is having you can say the acute appendicitis, this will be called as obturator sign is positive. So yeah, these were the signs that we can look for in the patient, and this was the complete technique of you can say the palpation as well as checking for the different signs in the acute appendicitis. Usually, what happens is appendicitis is so common nowadays in this population that while looking at the signs, we can diagnose that patient is having this acute appendicitis. But what happens is to confirm or to support our diagnosis, we can also ask the patient to go for an ultrasound, and that will be very helpful in supporting the diagnosis. And once the diagnosis is made of acute appendicitis, a simple surgery or surgical procedure is done, and it is a totally uncomplicated procedure that can be done very easily. What we have two techniques. Earlier, we used to just give an open incision in the right abdominal area and just to resect and remove the appendix. That is called as appendicectomy. So this was the old surgeries and that we did in past, and this was called as open surgery. But nowadays, what happens is we have certain laparoscopic techniques that we can opt for. In this, we'll only insert 3 to 4 ports in the patient's abdomen, and no single large incision will be given. So from that 3 to 4 ports that will be inserted in the abdomen, we can resect the appendix and we can remove. So that is called as laparoscopic appendicectomy. So these were the treatment options for the patient. And for the pain and all, if you are, you can say, planning to perform the surgery in near future, for example, after a week, so for that time, you can give certain analgesics or painkiller to the patient to get relieved from these symptoms. So yeah, that was everything about how to deal with the patient of acute appendicitis. Thank you.